Yeah, this is Dusty. Dusty wants something. I think she wants to jump onto me, but... Yep. Hi, sweetheart. Something that I think is really important is if you want your chickens to be able to cuddle you, like this, you have to give them the opportunity. So they've got this ramp that brings them up closer to my height. Not definitely at my height, but closer. And so they're able to make the jump. The hen house is also up pretty high, so when I'm in there and I open their hen house door, they can jump onto me from there too. I will say, if you do kind of teach them this, it makes it hard to, some of them don't want to get off you. And they can, they'll get really good at jumping onto you. So then every time you walk into the run... Oh, he just did a dance for me. Thank you, Mr. Nugget. Every time you come into the run, you get ladies on you. And then if you want to leave, you have to get them all off, which can be a task if they don't want to get off. You're vocal this morning. Good morning. Good morning. This is Honey. She's my sweetest hen. Hi, sweetheart.